it's me, Sista Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. It's February, so you already know we're starting off today's video with a quote from a Black person, and that quote is coming from y'all's favorite auntie, Tabitha Brown, and it says, "Remember, the same day we plant our seeds is not the same day we eat the fruit." So I am giving another review for y'all. Today's review is these organic cauliflower bites. I'm constantly looking for something to snack on, and these kind of intrigue me because I like cauliflower. Also, let's take a poll. Comment below if you say cauliflower or cauliflower. All right, y'all ready to find out what these taste like? Let's go. It definitely smells like you cut up some cauliflower and boiled it and just left it on the stove. This is the sea salt flavor, y'all. So get into it. All right. It's smelling already like when you have protein powder that has blended kale and barley roots and stuff in it. That's what it smells like. But if I've learned anything from my past reviews, smell is not always true. All right. Okay, y'all, since they are dehydrated cauliflower, I thought it was gonna be like, it kind of breaks apart like a potato chip or like a kettle chip is crunchy, but like not gonna break your tooth kind of vibe. It was not as soft. I thought it would be softer. It definitely tastes like cauliflower. Not much more to say about it than that. I think these could be really good if they had some additional seasoning. Like, I may take this pack and sprinkle some pico de gallo seasoning or some Creole style seasoning in here just to give it a little bit more life. It's not bad, but it's also not great. I think if you were on a trip and you had these in the snack, you would eat them because you're hungry. All right, let's go ahead and rate this using the POP method. So for P, presentation and plating, AKA packaging, the packaging did what it was supposed to do because it got me to purchase these, okay? So packaging is a plus. Also, y'all know sometimes I'm a little weak. I did not struggle to open this package, so that's another point. Optics, let me just remind y'all, it looks exactly, I mean, you're not deceived. You wanted cauliflower bites, you're getting them. So, optics. Now, price and punch. I think in order for me to get these again, the price would need to be $0. I'll put the price in the description box below. And then that flavor profile, the punch, if you will, it's not really punching. I'm not sure if this, from a flavor profile, gets the Sista Girl Tuesday poppin'. But you know I always want to hear what you think because I'm just one viewer, just one taster. So let me know in the comment section below. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.